Welcome to this DJI tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to install and activate the DJI Private Cloud Access. Before installing the DJI Private Cloud Access, please download the DJI Private Cloud Access installation package. Configure the Ubuntu Server 16.04 LTS system server. Ensure the SSH service is enabled. Ensure the root permission is granted. And the WinSCP has been installed. Open the FTP uploading software, WinSCP. Input the server IP address. Input the administrator account and password. Click on Login and log on to the server. Copy the installation package to the server's directory. Open the PuTTY. Input the server's IP address. Click Open to enter the command prompt. Input the server administrator account and password. Input SU root to grant server root permission. Please consult Network Administrator about the root permission account and password. Input LS to check the uploaded installation packages. Input the decompression command to decompress the installation packages. Input LS again to check the decompressed installation packages. The packages highlighted in blue are the installation packages that have already been decompressed. Input CD plus space plus decompressed installation packages name to access the installation program. Input LS to check the installation program. Input ./webinstall to perform the program installation command. Copy the IP address which is used for installation to your browser to enter the installation page. Input the IP address in installation directory. Using the default installation directory is recommended. Click Start Install. After the installation is succeeded, click Go to FlightHub to start activation. Click on Download Activation Application File button in the FlightHub Management Center. Send the downloaded activation application files to relevant technical support staff to apply for an activation license. After receiving the activation license, click on Upload Activation License. After the activation is succeeded, click on the FlightHub on the top right. To enter the administrator setting page, input the system administrator account and password. Go to Login page. Input the administrator account and password again. Now you can use the DJI FlightHub to manage your operations. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.